Hi guys! Last time I talked about I want to make a demo of how to create a sunset effect on this illustration, and it should be like this as final result. But as I was making the tutorial, I realized to achieve this effect, this result, you have to have some background understanding, like how to use gradient tool, how to use tone curve, change tone curves, etc. And I think that might be too much to take in one tutorial, and I would like to make bite-sized tutorials. So today I'm just gonna demo a simple one, how to create a fade, how to let this image fade to white using simple gradient tool. It's super easy and but it's very useful. So gradient tool is here, and we are currently selecting on the line art layer, and that's the top layer in our workspace, and we need to create a fade, like a gradient circle around here to show only the face area, and other area I want it to fade into white. So let's see the subtool property. They have gradient and contour line paint. That's quite different functions. I'm gonna talk about the contour line paint later. Today we use gradient tool, and Clip Studio Paint has a bunch of presets right here, and as you can see, there used to be a gradient erase, but I have already changed color. It doesn't matter, I still choose the gradient erase. And here we can take a look at this is the gradient bar. The beginning is transparent and the end is light pink, and we don't want that. We want white. So let's change it. Oops. So you change the background color, and when you move your cursor to this this little square here, it turned into a bucket icon, and you click, and this bar here become white, and that means the beginning, it's a gradient from transparent to white, which is exactly what we need, because the beginning means the center of the circle, and the white means the outside the edge of the circle. So here we choose sphere, and where to create. This is very important. There are two options: join on editing layer or create a gradient layer. Because right now we are on the line art layer, we absolutely don't want to damage the line art. We don't want to create something on the editing layer. And even if we have a separate layer for gradient, we don't want to choose the doing on editing layer, because that will create just a raster layer. It's not adjustable. So we want to choose the create a gradient layer, and let me give it a try. We want just to show the head, so we start the circle from this area, and we drag. Boom! See, that's the effect of the gradient. We make a sphere shaped gradient. Only this area is shown. And the good thing is, you can, if you're not satisfied with the result, you want it more area to show or less area to show, all you need to do is check here. See, this is a new gradient layer that was just created, and you click here, this this layer with a object icon, and you choose object tool and choose object, and see there's this adjusting handle. You can adjust it by dragging this little circle. You can make the circle larger or smaller and change the position. See, that's why I suggest you create a gradient layer instead of just drawing on the editing layer. And also, if you're not satisfied with the color, you can also just change it here. You want it to be, of course, we want the center to be transparent, but we want the image to fade into maybe a bluish color. So we change the background color here and we click the bucket. See? The color, it will fade into a blue color. So that's how we basically fade any image into a solid color with a gradient tool. And that's very useful in making the sunset effect. Because this sunset here, you see this picture, there is a artificial sun here. Actually, we use the gradient tool to make it. So today we know the basic of using gradient tool, and later on we will make another video talk about that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.